was posted in the website of the cooperative, the official Facebook page, the bulletin boards in all offices. It was also announced over the radio. It was published in the Midland Courier for 5 consecutive weeks from March 10 to April 7. Madam Chair.
Madam Secretary, do we
Dito
have
kami member Ken Baket.
As of 8:15
CSU
a.m., there are
Multiple Post Cooperative.
4,467 registered regular members.
15 years na kami membro dito.
Out of 17,207 members include study, which is equivalent to 25.96%.
So that's it, fellow operators, ladies and gentlemen. So we have now the quorum. Now we proceed now to the acknowledgement of the members.
Nagbagasa po tayo aming nakaksa. As of March 1, 2023 to February 29, 2024, naihayon na lang yung 3,073 new members. Kaya na tayo gagawin katawan na new members. Welcome to the PSUC in PC. Thank you.
Thank you, Madam Kamil. We will only start with the bill of the present. We can have the vote of the meeting.
Hello. May request again the Aklat Atay new members, ang Aklat naman for our vote of commitment.